Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your EA account email. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device or computer. So just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. All right, again, myaccount.ea.com. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. And then once it loads, there will be a prompt that will ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. If it doesn't ask you, well, go ahead over to the top and just click on the profile icon and just log in. All right. And you'll be landed to the same exact page. So what you're going to do in here is just go ahead and click on account information. Now go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find the email address option. So what you'll do is basically click on edit right here besides email address. Click on edit. So what you'll do in this section is go ahead and enter a new email address, and then once that's done, just click on send code. And then after that, an email will be sent to you, okay, to the new email that you have entered in here. So go ahead and grab the code and then write it down in the pop-up where it's needed, and after that, just hit on continue, and once done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change an EA account email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.